Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, smart key, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.